The world of science is full of many beautiful colors. I used these PVC batteries to explore various phenomena earlier. I wanted to make a better version of it. Here is how I built it. Let us take this small plastic container. These two slots will be used for LED and switch. We will use wire stripper to remove insulation from these two wires. As per convention, red wire is used for positive terminal and black wire for negative terminal. We will tie wires to the bulb. Though soldering is better, I decided not to use it for now. This works just fine. Let us connect switch in between two red wires, one from LED and other from the battery connector. Black wire from the connector is connected to the black wire from the LED. Our circuit is complete. Let us test it with 9-volt battery. Yes, LED glows. Switch is also working. It's better to cover open wire with insulation tape. We'll place this completed circuit inside the plastic container with LED and switch fixed in the slot created earlier. Our battery is ready. I built 4 such units: red, green, blue and white. Now let's explore money matters. 3-watt LED bulb costed me 30 rupees, switch 10 rupees, plastic container 6 rupees and add 4 rupees for remaining material. You can just connect LED to the battery like this. But this is not very useful. Or you can test it with wires attached. LED lights up only when you connect the terminal with right polarity. If you don't have 9-volt battery, you can also connect 4 AA cells in series to power LED. Instead of wire stripper, you can use shaving blade or paper knife to remove the insulation. Use hot rod to make a hole for LED and knife to make a slot for a switch. This is how my PVC battery was connected earlier. Hope this helps. Do give it a try. Thank you.